Next up, representing Ryerson University, is Thomas Tiveron. He's doing a master's in civil engineering supervised by Dr. Darko Joksimovic. His presentation title is Quenching the Thirst of an Urbanizing World, How to Do It Through Water Reuse.
Water, arguably one of the most valuable resources to life as we know it. But do we treat it that way? The largest blue marble here is all the water on the entire planet, including the oceans and even the water in you and I right now. The second is all liquid fresh water, although 99% of that is trapped in the ground. And the tiny pin-sized ball just below that is all the water available in lakes and rivers, and this is the water that we use the most. Currently, there are 7 billion people on the Earth. By 2050, there will be over 9. This population explosion, paired with the global migration of people from rural areas into the cities, will continue to stress our already limited water sources. Many cities are already facing water shortages. So where will the mega cities of the future get their water? And how can we maintain our current practice of drawing water from this tiny blue marble, polluting it, and dumping it back in? To sustain our future cities, we need to rethink our current water practices. And upon doing so, we will see that there is one source of water that has been overlooked. And this source of water is our so-called wastewater. But wait, before you get grossed out, hear me out. And technically, seeing as this tiny blue marble doesn't change in size, hasn't all water at some point been wastewater? Water reuse is an excellent source of sustainable water for our growing cities, as it is produced right where it is needed and not taken from some distant water body. And this idea is not new. And for instance, if you've consumed produce from, say, California, Florida, or Mexico, chances are it was irrigated with reclaimed water. And this isn't done with untreated sewage. The water is treated with similar processes to those used to produce our drinking water. My research has developed a methodology that anyone can use, not just an engineer, to create, plan, and think about how your community can benefit from water reuse infrastructure. And my online tool lets anybody do this in just 4 simple steps. 1 is to use the map-based interface like Bing or Google Maps and navigate to your community. 2, click to add your source of wastewater, probably your wastewater treatment plant. 3, click to add users and how much water they will need. This could be farms or golf courses for irrigation, an industrial park for cooling, or perhaps even residents for toilet flushing. And 4, the hardest step for the program and the easiest step for you. Just click the complete button. But why is this the hard step? Well, with the variety of treatment options available and a potentially large number of users, there are literally millions of combinations that need to be analyzed. My methodology efficiently identifies the best combinations of water treatment, users to supply, and even their distribution network. By having accounted for the vast complexities of a water reuse system, but having simplified the steps required to evaluate them, my research aims to increase public awareness of the great untapped potential of water reuse, as well as to help facilitate the development of these schemes greatly needed by our growing cities, as through water reuse system implementation, we can have sustainable water for everyone. Thank you.